We'll start this week's week ahead by reviewing the VIX. The VIX is at the lowest level it's been at for some time. Remember, the VIX itself is volatile. We go from low volatility to high volatility and back. With the VIX at this level, that means there is very little fear or concern in the marketplace. Usually my biggest concern is when the market itself is not concerned. Let's take a look at today's profiles. Okay, looking at Friday's profile, you'll see that 60.53.50 was traded above. That was the prior Globex high that occurred during extended hours. As we have talked so often, it is rare, I'm not sure I even remember a case, where a lasting all-time high or low occurred during extended hours. As we enter next week, we now have an all-time high that was made during normal trading hours. Next week, there's light information on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, we start to get into some of the employment information with ADP, and then we have the monthly jobs report on Friday. At this point in time, the question really remains, do we hold this high, or was this a lasting high? Only next week it's going to tell us. In order to show anything significant on the downside, you would see the market need to trade off fairly sharply, well back into last week's range. And I think the ultimate test would be the 6,000 level. So again, it's a very uncertain environment, particularly during limited trading hours. But I think the first thing I will look at next week is, do we get a successful test of the current high? Thank you.